Okay, next one up is this stunning Kawasaki Z900RS. I collected this at the beginning of the week. This is in for one of our legendary full works packages. What a nice example this had. Loads of nice extras on it. Nitron shock, all the forks have been done, been properly tuned. Absolutely gorgeous bit of machinery. So like I said, this is going to get one of our full works packages. We'll get all this grease and road grime off of these wheels, get all those calipers, discs all cleaned up. Quite a bit of chain lube on the old center stand there. Get it all cleaned up, decontaminated. We'll get all this exhaust all minted up at the top there. Then we're going to get it into the studio. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on this bodywork. It's looking a little dull in places. Same with this windscreen. And then we're going to prep it and treat it with the Ultimaxx Signature quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Works really well on the black paintwork. So yeah, let's get this thing looking like it should. Get it protected for the years ahead. And I'll get it delivered back later today, hopefully. Okay, this Z9 has now been fully washed, decontaminated, degreased, blow dried, and in the studio. Just doing a little inspection on it. This is the fun bit of cleaning a bike, is all the detailing. I notice it's got a little bit of rust on the inside of these discs. They always go like that. I did scrub those while I washed it, but I'm going to put a little silver paint on those, as well as putting some satin black on the side stand and the center stand, and the same on the front disc. Got a little rust just on the inside of there. I noticed these chrome rings on the instruments need a good polish. Just did a bit of a paint inspection. It's not bad by any means, but I got a few little marks on it. So we're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. This windscreen definitely needs it. This is an aftermarket screen, so it's just molded plastic, but we should be able to get rid of those. And then we'll treat it to some Ultimaxx ceramic. Get that exhaust all mirror polished back up, get some chain lube on it. And then this will be ready for delivery, hopefully later today. What a gorgeous machine. There you go, just under 3 hours. This Kawasaki Z900RS has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, look at the shine on that. This has had one of our Trot Full Works packages, which includes the Ultimaxx ceramic. We've XCP'd all the motor, all your frames, suspension linkages. The center stands had a bit of satin black on it. Touched up a few rusty bits on these discs. All the wheels have been prepped and ceramic coated. I've just finished up the tank and bodywork. Look at the freaking shine on that. It is like a mirror. Good old Ultimaxx Signature quartz, knocking it out of the park again. Absolutely gleaming, now fully protected for the years ahead. Managed to get a nice bit of gloss on that screen. All the levers have all been mirror polished. That exhaust took some work, but I managed to get all that bluing out. Look at that, absolutely gleaming. All done just under 3 hours. Time to load this up, get it delivered back. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.